Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML input types, and right now we'll be discussing about the HTML input type of number with maximum restriction. You can also set restrictions on what numbers are accepted. The following example display a numeric input field where you cannot enter a value above 5. So I'm going to show you how this works right here. Quickly, let's get back to our document. In our previous tutorial, if you have been following me along, we have discussed about the HTML number input, month input, file input, text input, and so on and so forth. We have discussed about a lot of things, and we have discussed about different inputs. As you can see, up to down we are having a lot. So you can check our HTML from playlist, or you can check our HTML input types playlist. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly now. Right here, we want to, in our previous tutorial, we discussed about random number that you can specify inside your submit inside your input type of number. But right here, we want to control this random of number, because right here now, even if they use this thing now, it can they will be counting. But this type of restriction we are using right now, we are going to see how it works now. Let me reset our document. Now let's get back to our document. Our input type of number, here is it, as you can see. Now let's give it maximum. Max is for maximum. The maximum number we want them to reach is 4. Let's say for instance now 4. Anything above 4, we don't want it. So let's reload our document. Firstly, this doesn't affect this one, but when you want to submit it, it will reject it. You understand what I'm talking about? It doesn't affect the typing, you understand? But when you want to submit it, it will say no. You can only specify. Let's now put 5. It will also reject it. Can you see? It rejected. It said please select a value that is no more than 5, no more than 4. Let's now give it 4. It will go. Let's give it 4. Let's submit it. Can you see? It's getting to our what number input. So now let's use this one right here. Can you see it's not increasing? But when you click decreasing, it can decrease, and when you submit it, it will go. Can you see? Minus 18 is heading to our number input. It's also working with our this thing. When you are scrolling from 1 to, when you reach 4, it will stop, and when you're coming down, it can come down assigning amount of numbers. But and also when you are typing right here, it is not affecting this typing in general, but when you are trying to submit it, it will affect it. So now let's give it let's say we write 1 2 3. Let's submit it. Can you see? It's not going. Let's write 1 2. Let's submit it. Can you see? It's not going. Let's now write 4. It will go. And when we write 1, it will go. When we write 1 2 4, 1 2 3 4, it will go. But it must be, even when you write 1, let's say for instance we write 1 1 1, which is 4, right? Let's submit it. Can you see? It will not go. So anything beyond 4, it will not go, but anything minus 1 1 1 or 1 2 3 or whatsoever, when you submit it, it will go. Can you see? It's adding there. So that's what I want to show you guys. Make sure you practice, because practice makes perfect. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. As you can see, make sure you use this max anytime you want to do this max value. So I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next tutorial. Bye bye.